Hi everyone. Today we will study the menstrual physiology. Our menstrual cycle has two phases, the follicular phase and the luteal phase. The follicular phase has estrogen hormone which is more, and the luteal phase has the progesterone hormone which is dominant, released by the corpus luteum. The estrogen hormone, which otherwise has an inhibitory effect on LH, during the 14th day of the menstrual cycle leads to a surge of 200 or more than equal to 200 picogram per ml for about 2 days, leading to LH surge and ovulation. The vaginal epithelial cells in the follicular phase are pink eosinophilic and superficial cells, whereas they are basophilic blue colored intermediate cells in case of the luteal phase. The cervical mucosa shows the spin-Barkett test, thin and elastic during follicular phase and is thick during the luteal phase. The endometrial biopsy shows the tall glands, pseudostratification, and telescoping in the follicular phase, whereas it shows the subnucleolar vacuolization and corkscrew glands during the luteal phase. The LH hormone acts on theca cells, leads to the release of the androgens, which are converted by aromatase enzyme into the estrone and estradiol. The estradiol is the E2 hormone which is more potent. The FSH acts on the granulosa cells, leading to the release of E2 hormone which is estradiol and inhibin B. The maturation index is calculated by the PIS. P stands for the parabasal cells, I stands for the intermediate cells, and S stands for the superficial cells. So from here, if we have intermediate cells which are more in number, that represents the luteal phase, because intermediate cells are the part of the luteal phase. Whereas if the superficial cells, they are more in the case of the PIS index, that ensures the follicular phase. Whereas when parabasal cells are more, that shows the postmenopausal phase. Whereas a postmenopausal woman, which is showing the superficial cells which are more, representing similar condition to the follicular phase, shows a tumor like condition. And guess what? Which is the tumor?